That's Angel watching the snowstorm. It's so bad outside. Right, Angel? Jump. There goes Popcorn. Hi, say hi, Popcorn. She's just relaxing. Right, Popcorn? Relaxing. She wants to take a nap. Angel, on the other hand, is watching the snowstorm outside. It's very, very windy out. Right, Angel? You wouldn't want to be out there. It's too cold for you. You do not want to go out there. Believe me, it's snowing a lot. Enjoy it from far. From afar. Right, Popcorn? Tell your sister, you do not want to go out there. Look at her. Oh, you want to take a nap. I know. Alright. Come on, Angel. Take a nap now. Come on, baby. Sweet girls. You're so sweet. Bye.